Action!
What's happening, all you hip cool cats? My name is Kit, and welcome to Chicago Reacts. We got ourselves a fun video to react to. It is a series that we have been following, and every time I'm watching it, it's like, oh my god, the time flies by. I'm talking about Chainsaw Man. We're in Season 1, Episode 12, titled Katana vs. Chainsaw. So this has already spiked up my interest because, again, it seems like we're going to be paying little Katana Boy a visit. For those of you who don't know, Katana Boy is the grandson of that jagoff piece of crap that made Denji's life a living hell. And now more than ever, as a general rule here, especially when Katana Boy is brought up, we tell him that his grandpa was a piece of shit. So there you go. So already many of our characters are in a very dense and tight situation. Many of them are fighting for their lives in a building that has nothing but zombies and other types of, well, horrors and ghosts and demons and ghouls. So I'm hoping Denji and his fantastic friends can get out of this. So again, sit back, relax, go ahead and enjoy a nice tasty snack and a tasty beverage. Okay? And let's enjoy Chainsaw Man, Season 1, Episode 12, Katana vs. Chainsaw. And since I'm in charge of the ones and twos, let's pull up this video. Also, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that ring bell notification. That way you're made aware when we upload new content onto our YouTube channel. Hang in there.
一本あげる。
Oh, his friend.
骨が腐るから
That food looks so delicious.
長い付き合いになりそうだから吸ってほしいな。
Come on, don't encourage bad behavior.
一本だけ吸ってやる
All right, there you go.
タバコはこの一本だけだ
There you go.
火つけてあげる。
未成年に吸わせるなんて最低な先輩だな
Excuse me.
未成年なの。
そう
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry here, folks, but this lady, not once but twice. Where is human resources at? I'm sorry. Look, I legally now I think I have to call the authorities on her, okay? If not the first time, then the second time. I mean, what else? What else has she done? Anyways, I want to sit up here to start wondering how the Department of Public Safety runs its kind of operations here. But clearly, they need to start doing background checks on people. I'm just saying. I'm not wrong on this one. You know, this is not cash money.
じゃあ吸っちゃダメに決まってんじゃん。はあよこせ。じゃあこの一本は私が預かっておく。
This music has like the old school Adult Swim bumps from the early 2000s. Give a thumbs up if you remember those days.
君が大人になって何かに寄りかかりたくなったら返してあげる。
No, is she still in there? It couldn't be. No. Oh, his friend. Even though she has some questionable behavior. Easy revenge. There you go.
幽霊の悪魔には
The
目が
ghost devil doesn't have eyes, so it uses fear to see.
姫の先輩が言っていたことだ。姫野先輩、もうすぐ俺も行きます。
Ah. That's right, Snake Lady. That's right. You're screwed. Can't get out of this one. Yes! That's right. That's right. All right, Aki.
Heavy.
殺すな。
Yep. What do you mean no killer? Who? Yo! Hey! Oh! I got some new respect for Scaredy Cat right there. She did it! Now, hold on, wait a minute. She was told to stay behind because she's, you know, kind of useless. Hey, no spoilers, but I mean, does she do anything else that's remarkable? Or I should be like, hey, Kit, heads up. There's going to be a crazy scene with old Scaredy Cat. Like, who knows? Maybe she's finally grown a backbone. Good for her. Good for her, but why? Wait, are we sure that's her? Because this could be a trick. Alright, Kobeni. Yeah, why'd you stay? For friends, I bet.
もうすぐボーナスが出るので。
God damn it. God damn it. I thought she would say, like, she said bonuses are coming up this year. All right. You know what? You know what? I'm going to give that a pass. I'm going to give it a pass. Bonuses are coming up this year. Makes sense to me. All right. Power and Denji. Denji and Power. 100 years, Denji and Power. Come on.
肉は肉じゃろ。豚も牛も人も同じじゃ。
全然違うね。
Yeah, it does.
俺たちの仕事はサムライソードを捕まえることだ。
Exactly.
捕まえても食うんじゃねえぞ。
Oh. Ew. All right, you two, just hit the close button.
こいつら気づいてね。大きな声出すなよ。
わしの名はパワー。はこいつらなら勝てる。勝負じゃ。
What the heck?
わしについてこい。
Wait, no.
後ろは任せるぞ。
I just my. Yeah.
わしは逃げてない。気高い。美しい。
Okay. Whoa, that's a big boy.
ベンチ、見てろ。そして言い伝えろ。パワーが一番最強だ。
Okay, well, teamwork usually makes the dream work, but all right, Denji. th floor. 13th Legion of Ultramar. 13's a good number. Oh. Oh, hey, your granddad was a piece of shit. That's right. What? Hold on. This is a trap. You're willing to turn yourself in. Oh, fuck out of here. Get out of here with that. Denji. Please promise me you're going to say some smart ass things to this guy and just fuck him up. Don't talk to him. Don't have a conversation. Just rip open that chainsaw of yours and get ready to F him up, okay? Simple as that. 1, 2, 3. Do that.
お前の態度次第じゃ俺たちは投降するつもりだ。俺たちはただ怒りを収めたいだけなんだ。
Satisfaction? What?
デンジ、お前はこいつらの仲間と。
You killed their friends and my granddad. Well, who cares? Your granddad was a piece of shit. We want you to atone for what?
お前のお仲間もじいちゃんもゾンビなってたから殺したんだぜ。
Exactly.
じゃねえ。学歴のねえバカすぐ嘘つきやがる。
Hey, first of all, Sideburns, also known as Katana Boy, your granddad was a piece of crap. Simple. Him and his fantastic friends sold their souls to the zombie demon, okay? Oh, my granddad died. This is my grandpa.
仮に本当だったとしてだ。ゾンビも元は人間。そいつらを殺してお前は心が痛まないのか。
No.
全然。
Good. Thank you.
俺も沢渡りにいろいろされてな。心臓が刀の悪魔になっちまってるみてえだが。
Okay.
そんな俺でもな。
Even I have trouble sleeping.
ゾンビを殺しち
And
まっ
nights have...
眠れなくなるぜ。
What? Who?
に限っては心がもう人じゃねえんだよ。
Oh, shut up.
少しでも人の良心が残ってるなら、俺たちにおとなしく殺されねえか。
No. Just say no. Just say no. Just... Yes!
なるほど。
All right.
じゃあ切り殺してやるよ。
Kill him! There you go! There you go! Yeah! Yeah!
俺を切り殺すんじゃねえのかよ。
Get him! Get him! Get him! Come on. Come on, get him! Come on! Come on! Yeah, there you go. Yeah! Yeah! Look out, dodge! Oh! Alright, that was pretty badass.
前よりは動けるみたいだな。デンジ、お前は何のために戦ってる？
Oh, if Katana Guy asked him that question like a few episodes before, I want to fondle some boobs. It's like, what? Well, he says, to protect the life I've got now, I guess.
生活を守るためかな。
公安様はそんな大層な暮らししてんのか。
口うるせえのとわがままなのがいるけどまあ
Nah.
そこそこ気に入ってるぜ。だからさっさとてめえ倒してマキマさんに褒めてもらうんだ。
お前は俺には勝てね
あ？もう勝ったつもりでいんのか？俺はまだ死んでねえぞ。
え。雑魚が！
Come on, get him! Alright, this is pretty badass on the train. Go, get him. Yes. Get him. Yo! Holy! Yo, look out! Look out! Come on, Denji. Oh! Yo, look out!
ああ禁止にしようぜそれ。
ほざけ
Look out!
終わりだ。もう戦えないだろう。な、デンジ。じいちゃん殺したこと。
No! 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 I'm not sorry I killed your granddad.
まだ戦えるぜ。頭んチェーンソーが残ってるからね。バカが。
Look out!
じいちゃんに教わらなかったか。引き時ってやつをよ。じいちゃんに謝罪しろ。そうしたらな。
Oh, shut up about your grandpa. Oh, my grandpa, man. I'm so glad that he killed your granddad, dude.
丁寧に頭狙ってくれてよ。アンガとなバーカ。
Ha! Yes!
怒らなかったか。獣が狩人の言葉信じるなって。
Yo! Oh, awesome. I'm sorry. We're rewinding that again. I apologize for doing what you did to my grandpa. Oh, what he did was kick him in the nuts and went right through. Hold on.
ってやつを。
Did granddad teach you know when you're beat? My grandpa. This is my grandpa. I'm so glad. Yes.
楽に殺してやる。
ご丁寧に頭狙ってくれてよ。アンガとなバーカ。
That's right. Huh? That's right. Right down the middle, you punk.
じじいに
Did the geezer teach you
獣が狩人の言葉
that beast shouldn't trust any hunter, anything a hunter says? There you go. That's right. Yeah. Oh, I'm Katana Boy. My grandpa. My grandpa. Good. Good. Told you. If I had my colleague Kira here, you know what song we'd sing right now. We're not fucking around. Hey, we're not fucking around. Oh, we're not fucking around. Hey, we're not fucking around. All right. Now all the ladies at the back. We're not fucking around. Hey, we're not fucking around. All the guys now. We're not fucking around. Hey, we're not fucking around. Well done. Well done, Denji. God, that was the most satisfying death. I'm sorry, we're watching that one more time. One more time. Editor, don't get mad at me.
じいちゃんに謝罪しろ。
Third time watching this.
楽に殺して。
Third time. Yes.
ご丁寧に頭狙ってくれてよ。
That's right.
アンガとなバー
Huh? Right down the middle.
カ。じじいに怒らなかったか。
Yeah.
狩人の言葉信じるなって。
There you go. There you go. Right down the middle. Beautiful. That was beautiful. Beautiful. Mandatory. Type 10 out of 10. Life-changing video. 5 stars. Yo! What the? How's he still?
目が覚めたか。
Wait, how's he still alive?
やっぱあんた俺と同じなんだな。
But you cut him in two.
刀抜いたらさ、真っ二つの体もくっついたぜ。
殺してぶっ殺してやら
Why'd you?
ケ犬の声はでけえな。警察がてめえを迎え来るまでここでじーっと待ってなきゃなんだけどよ。俺はいろいろ納得できないんだよね。てめえは姫の先輩を殺した。面のいい美人がてめえのせいで世界から一人。
Yeah, exactly.
なのにてめえは反省もせず一生刑務所暮らし。それじゃ俺がすっきりしねえ。
お前には何もできねえだろう。公安の犬風罪がよ。
What?
今から大会を開く。大会？あ、いいとこに来たな。
Yo, how'd you?
こちら四課早川。時計館前線路内にて。
How'd he get there so fast?
応援求む。早川の先輩も参加するか？最強の大会によ。お前は何を言ってんだ？こいつは姫の先輩を弾で撃った。だからこいつも弾を撃たれるべきだろ。だから大会を開く。お互いにこいつの金玉を蹴っていって、
Yes.
警察が来るまでに一番でけえ悲鳴を出させたやつの勝ち。
正気かお前。
Ha!
あ？呼んねえのか？
I'd be in on it.
俺たちの仕事はこいつを捕まえることだ。いたぶって嘘を晴らすことじゃない。そんなことしたって姫の先輩は喜ばない。
I think she would have wanted it.
ああ、そう。
Easy. Light up for her. Come on. Come on, dude. Just kick him in the nuts.
ああ、
It's okay.
勝ったら何くれんだ？
What? Yes!
そりゃもちろんこいつの玉金。
Yes! Yeah! 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 Yes! Oh, those beautiful gentlemen. That right there, young men, are two gentlemen. That right there, young ladies, are two gentlemen. And it's a gentleman's contest. Hey, there is no argument or debate. You know what? I would do the same thing too. Because it's of noble intent. It's honor and justice. And you know what? If you think it's not, explain your reasons in the comment section below. Because sometimes, folks, and you heard it from me, sometimes two wrongs do make a right. And well, wait. Make sure you're not playing that part loud in case anybody's listening in earshot. But yes, occasionally, two wrongs can make a right. And we're just to look at that moment of friendship. What do I get if I win? Oh, that's so beautiful. Yeah. 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 Yeah, this is happening, boy. Yeah. Hey. Kobeni, you did it. Power. Yeah. Yeah.
姫野先輩天国まで聞こえるか
Yes. Oh.
俺たちからあんたへのレクイエムだ
Hold on. I'm sorry. No, 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 no. We're watching that work of art again. We're watching that work of art again. Ha ha ha!
姫野先輩天国まで聞こえるか
There you go.
俺たちからあんたへのレクイエムだ
That's for you, senpai. For you,
今
senpai.
回のテロ事件は沢渡茜という元民間のデビルハンターが発端でした。彼女が銃の悪魔と契約し、銃をヤクザに流しました。その対価として沢渡はチェンソーの悪魔の心臓を要求していたそうです。
Huh.
それでなぜ沢渡はチェンソーの悪魔の心臓を欲しがった
Okay.
それが聞き出す前に
Oh! Kobeni. Okay, hold on, hold on, hold on.
それが聞き出す前に
Ugh. Oh, Kobeni.
自殺
銃の悪
I hope she doesn't have to deal with that a whole lot of time. Okay, hold on. So sorry. We're gonna rewind all that again. Just first of all, it's a nutshell. I'm sorry. Sorry. That's just really just.
僕まで聞こえるか 俺たちからあんたへの
All right.
レクイエムだ
I won't pause. I won't pause anymore. I'm sorry.
今回のテロ事件は沢渡茜という元民
Okay.
間のデビルハンタ
A
ー
devil hunter, formerly of the private sector. Okay.
彼女が銃の悪魔と
She had a
契約
contract with the gun devil to distribute guns to the Yakuza. Gotcha.
その対価として沢渡は
Was also told to recover the chainsaw devil's heart.
要求していたそうです。
Okay.
それでなぜ沢渡はチェンソーの悪魔の心臓を欲しがった
それが聞き出す前に
Jeez.
自殺
銃の悪魔との契約で自動的に自殺したのかもしれません。今回の事件でビル内から銃の悪魔の肉片を 1.4 キロ押収。我々公安が持っている5キロの肉片と合わせた結果、ついに肉片が本体に向かって動きました。
ついにか
Oh.
向かって動いた
盤上に立って断ちくり棘を刺すようなこの怒りなど焦燥の正体に夢と勘違いしたくなる心模様いつだってだってからまる平でいつだってなんてかすばめいで大人になったって今みたいな玉でラッタッタッタただ君のなせすか嘘みたいな視界の場
So when I was in Japan, God, I hope to go back very soon. These supermarts are absolutely incredible, and the food is, yes, 100% delicious. I do hope that the next time I go back, I'm able to enjoy the wonderful city known as Osaka, which is Chicago's sister city. Who knows? Maybe someday, if we build up this empire called Chicago Reacts, we build up our organization, make it go international, we'll have maybe Osaka Reacts. Maybe, kind of, sorta. Could happen. We'll let you decide. But the answer is most likely yes if we ever expand our operations, do aggressive expansion, like the Joker says.
一晩だな復讐の正体が灰にのめり込んだみたいな何さえも寄りかかり合って生きてる人生いつもしたい衝動にメイテイン化けをまとったって役に立つ居場所があるなら夜は
Yeah.
僕にだってね未来にかけて祈るような線光に目を向かって時になせんでいてちぎり上がった少年あの頃みたいな冗談もう来ないとしてただ声を出してけ気楽に当然常識なんて存在聡明な瞳で世界は知る溢れる今度も良いぞ
Denji. You're living a good life, Denji. Oh. How wonderful. There's something nice about, that feeling. I've been to Japan twice, and I'll hopefully go for a third time. There's that late evening feel. I can't describe it, but it's a good feeling. Smoke up. Smoke them if you got them, folks. There you go, buddy. Enjoy. Yeah. Easy revenge. Yeah. That's that good feeling right there. They got that itis too. They ate all that good food. There you go. Oh, hey, we're back here again. That dream. From the first episode, yeah. Reminds me of the Alloways from Stray. Oh, wait, we're being led into false sense of security. Oh, no.
いつも見る夢だ。いつも見て。いつも忘れる夢。
デンジ、
落ちた。落ちた。出てこいよ。夢の中くらい撫でさせてくれ。
デンジ、絶対に開けちゃダメだ。
Okay. Something is amiss.
デンジ君はさ、田舎のネズミと都会のネズミ、どっちがいい？
Okay. All right, we got to the end of it. Is that it? Well, now I got a million questions. For a minute there, I thought, well, okay. Honestly, when they wrapped it all up and they were dealing with Katana Boy and kicking him in the jewels, for some reason I felt like the Gun Devil was going to do a drive-by on them. But, all right. That's not the case. Please no spoilers, but if there's anything I should be on the lookout for, please type it in the comment section below. Be a hip, cool cat. Don't spoil anything, okay? Don't do that. But, I feel so sorry for Kobeni, who always deals with all this crazy stuff. I guess she's blessed with good luck or something, and but yet she sees all these horrors. I wonder what else she's gonna see. So there you go. Yeah. What a great series. I don't know if this is the season finale. If so, what's next? What's next? What's next? But yeah, Chainsaw Man. Wow, but at least he was able to whoop up Katana Boy. Yeah. Dealt with him. Oh, you got to atone for my grandpa. No, I don't have to atone for nothing. All right, so shout out to Denji. He was able to regulate on that mofo. And more importantly, we learned one thing. That when he has to step up, Denji is very creative. So I'm looking forward to any other future episodes of Chainsaw Man. I guess if this is the end, because it feels like it's the end, looking forward to season 2 then, very soon. So without further ado, please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let's end this show on a good note. Because let's face it, it matters. It matters to me. It matters to me because you know what? Because I'm petty. And because I like being a bully. Especially to jagoffs that deserve it. I want you guys to keep. Hold on. Wait, one more. There you go. I want all you hip, cool cats to keep on winning. I'm Kit. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that ring bell notification. I hope this isn't the end of Chainsaw Man, because I got to see where this show goes. I love it. No spoilers in the comment section below, but give me some heads up on things I should look out for. Yes, we do read the comment section.